So did a recap video yesterday talking about the Heikin-Ashi candles with the Maverick AI Pro. And it's just a candle type if you're unfamiliar, different type of candle, but and how the Maverick AI Pro with the 1 minute Heikin-Ashi just absolutely dominates. Today's the day after New Year's, so we are being very cautious on a cash account. We were trading a funded account earlier today, and now I'm just, as you guys know, on my cash account, I look to do about $300 to $400 per day. That is my goal. And the Maverick AI Pro is coloring my candles perfectly. Okay, so instead of having just red and green candles, what the Maverick AI Pro does is it colors your candles to the data. What are we actually seeing in the background? All sorts of stuff. So, and it calculates per tick. So if you see, like here, we had a green background, we had reversal candles. Gray is reversal. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Then we broke down and you had a regular green candle. Bright green is your strongest. Green is your second strongest. Reversal candles again. Hot pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay. Started to come up. You got a little red candles. There's only 5 colors. Hot pink, you're sideways, but the whole time you're pretty much red and gray. And then we just broke down. I'm in only 2 micros. My daily goal on this account again is about $400 tops, maybe $400. And we break below the Maverick guide right here. Hot pink candles. Tons of down confidence arrows. Look at all these down confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm getting an 8th telling me I'm in the right direction. Okay. Couldn't be cleaner than this. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. My Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. When this line cannot go any further, this is signaling strength and momentum. Okay. We have a downtrend label. And again, this isn't like a stochastic or an RSI where it slowly comes up and it slowly comes down. This line is either at the top or it's at the bottom. There's no in between, okay? Should get a little retracement here because we've been just pushing down multiple candles. We love going short when we're below this blue line. This blue line is your Maverick guide. When we're below the blue line, we like to go short. When we're above the blue line, we like to go long, okay? And we combine that with our colors of our candles. So right now, I would go long here because I have all these up confidence arrows. I have gray reversal candles and I have bright green candles. Then we break below the Maverick guide and we went from bright green, which is your strongest upside candle, to green, which is your second strongest. You're losing momentum, to gray reversal, to hot pink, you see? So it's all about reading the colors of the candles and where are you in relation to the Maverick guide, this blue line. This was early morning action, so nobody's trading. This is pre-market, so you're just going sideways. Again, we're on gold, just 2 micros, playing it really, really safe. And that's it. We still have hot pink candles here, here, and here. So the data is still telling us down, but we're getting a little bit of retracement, okay? But it's not losing steam on the data. So I'm staying in. My hands are off my mouse right now. I'm at break even, so I can't lose anything. Okay, I'm playing on house money. All right. We're getting some resistance here because this is some support levels right here that I drew out. All right. Tested the Maverick guide right here and flushed down. Okay, tested this blue line and it's pushing back down. So will it continue to respect it? At some point it won't, right? But we let the Maverick AI Pro guide us through this trade, all right? So my hands are off my mouse. We still have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And we got such a nice move to the downside. Now, could it reverse at this point? Yeah, it totally could. But the Maverick AI Pro will color those candles appropriately to show us that reversal, okay? We're also coming up to the last minute of a 5-minute candle. You guys know I sit on my hands the last minute and the first minute of a 5-minute candle. That's when stop losses get grabbed. Okay, so I don't jump into a trade the first and last minute of a 5-minute candle. All right, so how many people got shaken out at this candle, and this candle, because they'd all be green candles? Okay, and look, but we had hot pink candles. We knew the data still showed us to the downside. And look at that. Now we have a down confidence arrow. We continue to have pink candles. And what I'm going to do is, again, this is my cash account. I'm only looking to make about 300 bucks a day. 4 would be nice, but I'd like to get back to trading my funded accounts. So what I'll do is let's see here. All right. So I never claim to be the world's best trader. I rely on my indicators to help me. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to move one of my stop losses up to here so I can snag some of this profit. Okay. And again, my goal is only about 300 to 400 a day. So we're almost at that 300 mark. We got to break past this support level right here. But the Maverick AI Pro was telling me hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. We came up, we tested the Maverick guide twice, and we have 2 down confidence arrows. So we're at 300. So I'm going to ride this one really close because I only need 300 to 400 bucks a day on this account. So we'll take half of it off here. Maybe we'll get a nice push to the downside. That'd be great, but if not, no big deal. We're at break even, can't lose anything. I'll secure at least 150 of it. Maybe 140 of it, wherever I have my stop loss here. Let's see here. Okay, great. So we just took off, we took off like 180 of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even here. We're up $180 on our $300 a day goal on this cash account. Oh, down confidence arrow, love it. So really to hit a $300 goal, I could close this out right now. We already closed out about 180 of it. So to hit my $300 goal, I could close this out right now. I want to see if we'll break past this level. Will we push past this level? This is a very strong level right here on gold. But you know what I'm going to do? Actually, I'm going to let this thing. Gold has been, it's got a ways to go. If it can break past this level right here, it's got a ways to fall. So I'm actually going to leave this sucker at break even and see if I can get like an all-day runner. If I can't, if I break even, that's okay. I'll just take another trade and hit my $300 to $400 a day goal. We've already secured 180 of it, so I only need about 180 of it. So hit $300. I only need 120 bucks. So I'm there now, but I kind of want to let this thing ride. I'm going to do break even plus a tick, so I pay for all my commissions. And let's let this thing ride, all right? So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, not financial advice, do your own research, come read what our traders are saying. We have so many of them crushing it. By the way, welcome to all our new traders. Absolutely so cool. Already hearing this morning, I got some emails from folks that joined yesterday and they're like, man, I already caught like this overnight or whatever it is. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. If you want clear vision on your charts, again, not financial advice, do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love, love, love to help you crush it in 2026. All right. So I'm going to let this just ride. If it comes up and breaks even, that's cool. We'll just get another trade and grab the 120 bucks that we need for our cash account, and then we'll move on to our funded accounts. I was already trading my one of our funded accounts earlier today, so no big deal. And we're just going to play it really, really safe today, day after a holiday. So, all good. So we're only in one contract of gold, and we made about $180 earlier on gold. We're on a cash account. Our daily goal is about $300 to $400. So we already took $180 off the board, and we only need $120 to hit our $300 daily goal. It's the day after New Year's, so we're not looking for huge moves here, but we do like to get our cash account out of the way so we can go trade all our funded accounts. And just look how clean this is. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. You had a change in color. Remember, the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data we're seeing. That's very important than just direction. Here it's seeing the most momentum and energy to the downside. Then you have a change in data. So you start coming up. Okay, great. Then you have a change in data. Start pushing down. And it couldn't be cleaner than this. We love to go short when we're below this blue line, long when we're above it. Short when you're below it. Okay. Had some sideways action. This is right pre-market. But I mean, I could just show you this over and over again. Long when you're above it, short when you're below it. Short when you're below it, so clean. Long when you're above it. Gray is reversal candle. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Green is your loss of momentum to the upside. Gray is reversal. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Red is your second strongest downside candle. And just beautiful trades. I mean, it doesn't get cleaner than this on your charts. We're on a Heikin-Ashi 1 minute candle. You can use this on any type of candle as far as 5 minute, 10 minute, Heikin-Ashi. We have some folks that use it on the Renko. And yeah, just absolutely beautiful, clear vision of the downside data. Strong downside data, second downside data, sorry, easy for you to say. And then we went right back to pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at all these down confidence arrows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screaming at you to get in. Okay, it's 10 screaming at you to get in. We started to come back up. We broke above the Maverick guide. We changed color. And then right when we got pink again, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down confidence arrows screaming at you to get back in this thing. We're only in one little itty bitty micro, and we're up over $100, okay? So again, this is just a cash account that we're playing here. We're not looking for giant moves on the day after New Year's. We've already taken 180 off the board, so we're only looking for about $120 to hit our $300 to $400 a day goal. So if we got more than that, beautiful. If we get that, then fine. I could close it out right now and hit my daily goal and be done and move on to the funded accounts. Okay? But I still have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. So why would I close this thing out right now, even though I'm at my goal of 300 bucks a day? Why would I close it out? Look at that. Why would I have closed that out? Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Maverick trender, peg to the top, downtrend label. Come on, folks. All right, so if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the edge that you're looking for in the market, not financial advice, do your own research, come read what our traders are saying, come check us out. We just extended the New Year's sale, lowest price it has ever been, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. 1 micro, we're already at our goal for the day, $400 total. So, but I'm going to let this sucker ride because I still have hot pink candles, down confidence arrow, Maverick trender peg to the top, downtrend label, everything is going away, folks. So I'm going to hold on to this thing and see where it goes. But we are at our goal for the day. All right. Our $400 cash goal. And now we'll go trade our funded accounts. All right, folks. If you want edge in the market, we'd love to help you crush it in 2026. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come to read what our traders are saying. Welcome to all our new traders that joined yesterday, and they're looking to crush it in 2026. Let's go. All right, folks. Have a great day. Trade safe today. It's the day after a holiday. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.